The Corsair K70 Core RGB is a full-size mechanical gaming keyboard that offers a blend of performance and affordability, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. Design and build quality. The K70 Core RGB maintains the classic aesthetic of Corsair's K70 lineup, featuring a sturdy plastic chassis complemented by a brushed aluminum top plate. This construction ensures minimal flex and a robust feel during use. The keyboard includes a magnetic wrist rest with a textured surface, providing additional support for extended typing or gaming sessions. Switches and typing experience. Equipped with Corsair's proprietary MLX Red linear switches, the K70 Core RGB delivers a smooth and responsive typing experience. These switches come pre-lubricated from the factory, reducing friction and contributing to a quieter operation. Performance and features. Designed with gamers in mind, the K70 Core RGB boasts outstanding latency performance, making it suitable for competitive gaming across various genres. The keyboard supports full N key rollover and features an effective polling rate of 1000 Hz, ensuring accurate and responsive keystrokes. Connectivity and software. The K70 Core RGB is a wired-only keyboard, featuring a non-detachable USB cable. This design choice may limit portability and ease of cable management for some users. The keyboard is compatible with Corsair's ICE software, allowing for extensive customization of RGB lighting, key remapping, and macro programming. Overall, the Corsair K70 Core RGB stands out as a well-built, high-performance keyboard suitable for both gaming and general use. Its combination of pre-lubricated switches, internal dampening, and customizable RGB lighting offers a premium experience at a competitive price point. Thank you so much.